Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee from Busy with Dee, and I'm here to give you guys an office tour. My office isn't really done, but because I'm still waiting for some stuff, like some things to go over there that I ordered, but they got lost in the mail. Long story, but I decided to give you guys a tour, and then I'll give you another tour maybe like in a month or two when I get everything really unpacked and really situated. But like I said, we just moved here, so if you want to see our empty apartment tour, I'll leave it in the description box below. That way you can see this room before I did all of this magnificent stuff to it. But let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, so this is how it looks when you first walk in. Here's the door. I know it looks kind of crazy up here with this long cord going down there, but I'll explain that in a minute. If you can hear that beating, they're putting up a new gate around the apartment, so that's what that is. But when you first walk in, I have this cube storage thing here that I got from Walmart, and it holds my fabric and t-shirts, like blank t-shirts that I use to heat press, and I'll show you that in a minute as well. But my t-shirts are down there. Fabric that's not open is right there. More fabric is over there, and then I have it stored by a crazy system that I'll get into in another video. But right here is my cutter. This is also for making t-shirts, and well, you can make a lot of stuff, but I use it for making t-shirts. There's my phone, and here is my calendar. And I really like it because it is dry erase. So I can just, right now it's still set up for January. So I put my goal for the month at the bottom. And I also put important information like fabric I need to order and things I need to do. So that is that. And I got that from Hobby Lobby. Really like it. Here is my TV, and it is set up like this because we just hung it on the wall maybe like a week ago, and I forgot to order the things that you use to put inside the wall to hide the cords. I just ordered it yesterday from Amazon, so it'll be here like in 3 days, 2 or 3 days, and then we'll get all of that set up. Over here is my satin, my rolls of satin. Just keep that in the corner. I don't have anywhere else to put it in here, so I just leave it over there. Here is a, look at that cord, it looks so bootleg. Here's a donut pillow that I am making, and they decided to start sleeping on it before I finished it, so it's flat, so I have to stuff it more. Here's more fabric over here. And here is my mannequin that I use sometimes, hardly ever, because I'm so busy with bonnet orders and t-shirts. There's the cable box. Here's a whole mess down here from the cords that will soon be fixed. There's the window. And I don't really get that much light because it's like coming off of the patio. That's the patio out there. But I have a light over here that I'll show you, and it works great. Got it from Joann's. So here is my printing area. I have my paper. My laminating machine is down there. Don't know what's in that box. Oh, that box is from this cable box. He left it here when he set up the cable. That is just a bin I have to go through. Manila folders. Here's a clip I got from Hobby Lobby that I want to hang, but I don't know where yet. This is Damari's virtual reality game that she got for Christmas. And here's my new printer. So my old printer was just, it was acting crazy. So I just got this, like, maybe it's been 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half. But it is the world's smallest all-in-one printer, so I can print, copy, and can I scan? Yeah, I think I can scan. And this poor thing right here, I got it from IKEA, the plant, the aloe vera plant, and the pot that it's in. And look, it's like, I don't know if you can see this, wait. Can you see that? There we go. I put way too much water in there. I'm so sad. I'm so sad about that. But hopefully I can like sit it on the patio out there and it'll like soak up or something or dry up. But here is my backpack. Didn't know where else to put it, so put it right there. And this thing, if you watch our vlogs, it used to be in our game room, and Dalia and Damara used to hang their backpacks on there. We had 2 hooks, one lower, but we took it off. So I just hung my backpack right there. Over here, I'm still trying to figure this whole area out. I don't want it to look too crowded, but I keep my notebooks over here. I have a problem. I just keep buying them because they're pretty. Well, I put this on here with my silhouette. But yeah, I buy notebooks because they're cute, and then I just don't really use them. So, and look at this one. This one's so pretty, I don't want to use it. And this is like a sketchbook. So that's up there. Here is, I don't know what's in here, I don't remember. In here is, what is it called? Calendar stuff. Like when you, let me just open it. When you, I tried doing the calendar thing, but it didn't work out. Because I would make it nice and pretty, but then I wouldn't look at it. So it wouldn't help. So, you know, like calendar things where you use the stickers and you plan out your day. Here's the actual calendar from last year. Let's see. See, I would go through and decorate it really pretty, and then I would just put it up and forget to even look at the stuff. But that is up here because I have washi tape in there that I like, and I still use it. Here, I just bought this today from Dalia and Damari's book fair at school. I love Goosebumps books, and I went online to buy as many as I could, but they were at a ridiculous price. So when I saw this today at the book fair, I bought it for myself. And it comes with 5 books. You guys probably don't care. But it comes with 5 books, and I actually already read this one. I read a lot of them, but these I haven't read, so maybe one day when I get spare time I'll read them. And up there is just stuff for bows, hair bows that I make in this little container. Here's my art from my other office. So I'm pretty sure you guys already saw that. Pineapple, live your dream. You got this is behind the light, and dreams don't work unless you do. And then this thingy. All of this stuff is from Hobby Lobby. All of it. Over here, so that's just the wall. Over here is my heat press machine, and I use this for my bonnets and my t-shirts. And this is a shirt for Valentine's Day that I made for a little girl. She has the coolest, dopest name. It's Phoenix. And then another shirt for a little boy named Dorian for Valentine's Day. And then Phoenix will have a tutu, so this is hers. This is for her. And then over here is sewing. So all things sewing is over here. This is, well, this is for hair bows. It's a mixture. Some of these things back here are little pieces for hair bows when I used to be really into making hair bows. These are disappearing ink pens. My seam rippers are in here. Needles are in here. And safety pins are in here. Here's my sewing machine. Big ruler. This is an order that I'm finishing up. I have my cutting mat, my hot glue gun, scissors, more scissors, and then measuring tape. And here is my bobbin for my sewing machine. It goes down here at the bottom. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the table. Now this light right here is what I was talking about. I got that from Joann's. Love this light. Really needed it because without it, it would look like this over here. So when I'm sewing, it gets really dark. Let me turn it off. So that's how it would look. But wait, with the light, it's so much brighter. So now over here, this is the area that I kind of just threw up there, and I said I would finish it when I get time. I have 2 baskets. Bought those from, they came as a set from Walmart for like $4, I think. And don't know what I'm going to put in that one. But in here I put our headphones. That's mine. Damari's and Dalia's are the blue ones back there. And that's because we're taking a trip soon. And I don't want to lose them. So I put everybody's in there. That is fleece that I'm using for the donut pillow. Here is a picture that she got me. My friend got me for, what was it? For my bridal shower. for my bridal shower, we went to Las Vegas. It was like a bachelor slash bachelorette party. And it was my friends and then his friends, and we all went together as a group. This is a globe I got for Valentine's Day. That is my Google Home over there, and this is a crown that I was supposed to wear at our wedding, but I forgot it. So sad. There's another globe down here, and I got this for in 2016. I was really into globes, so I was just getting them. But Devontae got me this for first day of spring or something like that. And here are just photo albums and stuff like that, things I don't want the girls to get into. More pictures from Vegas are in there. Let me open it, because then I probably get a comment, why didn't you show us the pictures from Vegas? So let me show you guys. That's me in the middle, and Devontae, and then our friend LaShanti. So it's only 3 of us in this picture, but it was a lot more of us on the trip. But our flight was the last to leave. So the morning that we were leaving, everyone was, you know, heading to the airport at different times, but we got the latest flight. So it ended up being just us 3 left, waiting for time to go to the airport, our time to go to the airport. But that's that. Just more things up here I have to put up. Headbands. This is a light bulb that I have to switch with my current light bulb, but that thing is tricky, so we don't know how to, I mean, it takes a lot of work to get in there, so we haven't did it yet. And over here is our wedding box. At our wedding, we wanted our guests to take a card and write something, some advice or good ideas or anything like that, but nobody even opened them. So we got married in 2015, and this is 2018. I still have these cards, but I said I'm going to use them this year, and I'll tell you guys how, probably in another video. Here is my rack for my thread, and I just sit that up there so I can grab it as I need it. This is my old HP computer with the mouse that I'm going to give to Delia later on this week. And down here, down here, it's full of ribbon, headbands, elastic for tutus and for bonnets. It's just a lot of stuff. And I haven't gone through it yet because I haven't had time, so I just stuck it down here on the bottom shelf. This is the base to the light, so it just goes up like that. And also, look guys, I can like sit my phone right here so I can go through my orders and see what I need to make next. And then Devontae sat it on this thing because it wasn't tall enough. Okay, so we've gone through this entire side. Over here is my, I call it my shipping cart because I put all of my shipping stuff on here. This is the card that you get when you order, and it just has our hashtag and our Instagram and our Facebook on it. These are shipping labels that I don't really use anymore because I print the labels off online and then I tape them to the package. Here's this E6000 glue that I needed for a project, and I didn't open it because I didn't do the project yet. But these are finished bonnets that need to go out, and these are the padded envelopes that I ship in. This is 90% of the time what I ship in. If you order between 1 and 3 bonnets, depending on the size. If you order 3 adult bonnets, then I have to use something else. So that is my shipping cart, and here's my stamp that I use. It just says handmade. Let's see if it'll show without ink. Can you see that? It's upside down. It says handmade. And Damari took this pencil from IKEA, so kept that. And it rolls, you guys. It rolls. This cart came from Joann's, and I got it for 50% off, so I think I paid like $25 for it. But I also saw this same one at IKEA, and then I saw they had it in white and in black. So if you like that cart, you can get it there. Right here is the closet. It's crazy in here. So that is tulle down there for tutus. That is more fabric because I'm fabric crazy. This is where I put my bows that I finished, hair bows. So they are in there, and a few spools of ribbon See, here's some hair bows. Here is a container where I put all of my felt. This is my old printer that used to just get on my nerves, and I just put it in here because I don't have space anywhere else in the entire apartment to put it, so I put it in here. This is the polyfill for the pillows that I make, and up here it's just more padded envelopes that I get from the post office, and these are medium-sized boxes that I use to ship. This is what I wrap the bonnets in, and that's more boxes. Down here is, I don't even know what's in here. These are more boxes, so I have more envelopes. These aren't padded. This is for shipping. Small boxes for shipping, and then medium boxes for shipping. And here is just stuff. This was for our wedding, and we didn't end up using it, and I didn't want to throw it away. They're let me show you. They're cute little gold boxes. I figure I can use it for something eventually, so I kept it. These are googly eyes. We use these sometime when we have when I do art with Dilly and Damari, so we use these. Oh, and I don't even know what else is in here. It's just crazy. This one is empty, surprisingly. These are my t-shirts. I designed them. This is my brand, like my logo, everything, and these are the ones that are already done. So if you guys want to order one, I will go ahead and ship it out to you. This is, what is in here? My other set of curtains. So for when I did the hair bow thing, when I gave hair bows away, I put them in yellow bags. This, I just bought this, but it broke during the move. It's for my thread, so I just put it in here. Probably give it away to somebody. It's too big for me to use anyway. This is my embroidery machine, and this is the thread. This is also for my embroidery machine. So is this. That's the box for my Cameo, because I don't like throwing away important boxes, because I like to come back and read it in case I need to. That's a box for my light that's on my desk, and I'll show you guys in a minute. And this is the box for my Google Home. So that's pretty much it. These little things in the closet, the orange container and the pink one, I have to go through those. I'm not even sure exactly what's in them. I can tell that one has a few bow ties, but I don't know. I have to go through those another time. Okay, so there's the shelf, the closet we just went through. There is the shipping cart. Let me drag this back over here. And here is my desk. So these two chairs came as a set from Amazon, and I think they were maybe $150, I think. So they came from Amazon. Here's my computer. I got this mouse pad for my HP when I used it for work from home, and I just used it for my computer, which I don't really need a mouse, but it's a mouse pad, but it's cute. These are my remotes to the TV. Here is the light I was telling you about. So it's just like that light over there. Same brand, but it's like a clamp on, and you just press it. And it goes like that. More notebooks that I buy that I don't. Well, I use this one. And here is Damari's iPad that needs to have the case on it. These drawers all have a purpose. This side locks. This side doesn't. I'm not going to go into it on this video because it's just too much, and they're organized, but not that organized. So I'll do that later. And here's just a notepad and a pillow. I have a video for this as well, and I will link that below in the description box. Okay, and also remember at the beginning of the video I told you that I was waiting for some stuff to come in the mail. I ordered it from Amazon. I ordered a cork board, and it will go right here. And I needed to post video ideas and just things for my YouTube. That way I will see it as I'm sitting here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this office tour. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Also comment some ideas. Maybe if you think I should change some things around, it'll flow better. If you think it will flow better, go ahead and let me know in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check out the empty apartment tour. That way you can see this room before we put I put all this stuff in here, and the video for this pillow right here if you like it. But that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.